All right, we're talking about the inside chamber. For the inside chamber, which is not only for combustion, it would need a vacuum chamber. That's the volume here. And in each volume is a vacuum chamber similar to 3D, which is not empty, but is mostly designed after vacuum chambers. And the vacuum chamber moves towards to the X, Y, Z axis. The upper one right here is what we need right here, which is a large enough to say 0.289. It's a force field at the volume, not vacuums, and that would be for all of our parts. Now, as each part is for the engine moves towards the transmission, and you got the battery. So everything else is pretty much supplemental. You didn't have to have it as much, but it helps a lot. And that's it. Thanks.